About, let's go.
Big winter storm coming in. Oh God. Ah. And I'm under an umbrella, walking through a parking lot, driving through a parking lot. Ah! My umbrella's about to break. It's so bad out here. Come on, man. Let me go. This is awful. I should have bought the big one, apparently. It's awful. This is horrible. I should have gone shopping on another day. Ordered pizza. Something. This sucks. My back is wet. Oh, my back is wet. Alright. Here's my umbrella. Umbrella. Cold. So I finally got home. I'm super dehydrated today. And I don't feel well. But I went and worked out. And then, there's a giant ice storm and tornadoes. Ice storm and tornadoes? I know. There's a giant ice storm and blizzard coming. And so I'm just praying I don't lose power again. But I went grocery shopping so that I wouldn't have to go out for the next week. Went and got everything I needed, for like a week. And so, yeah. Now we're just staying inside. I'm freezing at the moment. I'm shivering. A little bit cold. Merry Christmas, by the way. Oh yeah, I called animal control. It was like, hey, the neighbor's dog had mange. I'm like, fix the mange. And then my shank wound kind of hurts. I don't know, I just feel sick. I'm like, whatever. And then these ghetto girls were like, oh, take some medicine. Which, it's a gang, And I'm like, just trying to ignore them and stay away from them. But other than that, wish me luck. If I'm not here, like, tomorrow, it means the storm got me. And if I am here tomorrow and the storm didn't get me, and I'm good. But yeah, that's today. And so, it's really cold. Really, really freezing rain.